you and your government has shown to conserving our environment, our forest, and we want to commit as a ministry that by 2032, our forest cover, inshallah, will move from the current 12.7 to 32%.
All of us, as the people of Kenya, it is time that we believed in this great country God has given us. It is time that we stopped the negativity. It is time that we stopped believing in the fake news and in the propaganda that is hurting our nation. Because looking at the Kenya Forest Service in the last 2 years, the transformation is phenomenal. What has been achieved in the last 2 years, reducing illegal logging and forest criminal activity by 90%, is something we should be proud of.